Today we have 2 hours, full fucking focus, 2 hours. Nothing matters, just fucking back testing till I fucking die. Alright? So let's get it. It's September, not now. Okay, so Asia, displays higher, rebalance, manipulate, take this draw, 15, take this draw. We start to displace higher. Okay, so we displace lower nonetheless. The news, no news. So next draw is here. Okay, so we created an order block, displace higher. Again. So we did not um, manipulate here. We manipulate here. Displace lower. PXL. Displace it lower. Let's see what to do here. Pretty clean. So we displace even higher. Don't really rebalance, we do displace higher. So I took this draw, started to displace higher. And now we slowed down. I started to slow down after respecting this order block. So I'm gonna wait. I do see that we did respect the order block. However, we still don't have any manipulation except from this. And now what I want to see is rebalance and displacement lower if we want to. Okay, so this is kind of weird situation right now because I thought we were more bearish. However, now I could say maybe we look more bullish and we maybe want to seek some draw here. So I want a rebalance, okay, or something like this, but we didn't displace it. I don't see this as a displacement. However, we are displacing higher, so this could count as displacement with those three, but I'm not gonna take this. So we do have manipulation here. No. I think I'm gonna skip every day of this September. Like this is fucking crazy how prices reacting to PDRs. Okay, so now we took the draw. There's no draws here. They are very bearish, however. Mm, I'm seeing price as very bullish right now. And I want to see displacement higher and okay, so mm, we've rebalanced into order block here and this place higher and we still have the sell side. So I don't know if the trade is okay here. Nice, we disrespected the city, so let's see. September is very much based um, on something called discretion. So I do really think if we don't react fast, we don't have wins. So now we do have bullish narrative here. However, we manipulated here. We've rebalanced into OB. And we started to displace lower. We have this market structure shift here. So let's see how market reacts. So market rebalances and displaces lower. You have this PXH here and this. Okay. Uh, so we took the draw of liquidity and we took our external draw of liquidity lower. However, we do see price as bearish because of reacting to be there as disrespecting, and now we took the external. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, so we did have order block disrespect, but we've missed a move. Oh no. I'm curious if yes will. Okay, so we just yes took the draw. Okay, so I want to see. Okay, price didn't displace below this order block. So this is um, the first like sign. Maybe we want to go higher. However, we reacted to this PXL, um, and SMT right here. Clearly displaced lower. So I'm gonna try to understand the price. So we do respect this order block by closing below this. I would like to see price going here because um, or here. But I wanted to clear displacement because let's see if we get this. Clear displacement just because we are weakening so much. I do think that this is the turning point where price could maybe go lower and don't give a fuck about this manipulation. We don't know. We do see that I have a bearish narrative, but as we can see, we did manipulate and displaced higher after reacting off of PXH. So yeah, we do still respect this order block, but if I was on live market, I would I would close this trade immediately. So this is very, very low prop. Very, very low probable day. Mhm. Okay. So clear. I see that we have clean manipulation here, immediate reaction, and now manipulation again, displacement lower, rebalance, displacement, rebalance here, and SMT. Next draws are here and here. Stays low probable, so I'm gonna wait. And we manipulated here and started to displace higher, respecting this clean buy side. Manipulating, displace higher, manipulation right here. Displacement higher, displacement lower. Taking this external draw. Okay. I don't see any PDR being respected because how price. Except from this volume imbalance, price is going nowhere by a look. 15-minute does look very good for bearish bias. I'm gonna try to understand the price. So 930 opens, took this draw, expecting this clean buy-side imbalance, created an order block here, displaced higher, we have no draw left. So we did displace below this, and now we are in this range of order block. So I'm gonna try to understand what we do in the area of order block and then base my entry. So we did rebalance higher, and now we're respecting this sell side imbalance. Let's see if we go higher. I do see that ES is close to SNTing this draw, and if we would SNT this, I would be 100% sure we are having um, bearish bias. However, we displaced lower, disrespecting this, respecting this order block still, but let's see. Okay, so we do respect this sell side now. So I would click sell and target 1 to 1. So we do respect this still. See if we, okay, so we displace higher and still respect this. We SMT it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Damn. This September is, I do see that we these moves 945 macro doesn't really work. I do see that we these type of trades work, or 930 trades work, but 930 trades are very tricky because this doesn't really correlate with the narrative on higher time frame. All time highs on yes. Wow, this is very weird. In 30. That's fucking crazy. Nothing here except from this respecting this order block. I don't know what. Okay, so on 5 minutes it looks much clearer. Disrespected this gap. We disrespected this gap. Now we're reacting to this PXL, PXH. We did rebalance into this gap already, and now we're displacing higher. Okay. See if you rebalance, maybe a bit. Okay, this looks clean. Wow. Damn, this price action is really shit. Didn't even SMT this draw. Hmm. And this. So I'm bullish bias here. Hmm. SMT. So this kind of okay. This kind of trade needs to be hmm, much more like discretionary based because we need to see what is price not doing after respecting PDRS and what I actually see, but because what I actually saw is some weird shit candle popped up on 5 minute candle open and 15-minute candle open. And this is very weird because yeah, sure, we disrespected this PDRA and displaced higher, but we immediately displaced lower, like nothing happened, not even not even manipulation, and we did stood our ground. We didn't displace lower. We stood our ground so heavily. We disrespect every PDRA here. That my entry should have been here, but I was almost sure we are going higher because this doesn't feel really right. This is so weird. Even though we disrespect this PDRA, we did we didn't go lower. So this could be a tell that we did respect this volume imbalance. And 930 with actually 930 was very weird. 930 was very weird. We did respect this order block, but we didn't want it to fill this gap. We just stopped on mm, PXH. So yeah, I don't like this, but this is what it is. So equal highs here. Do we respect this? Mm, manipulation. Oh my god. Okay, so we accepted here, displaced higher, disrespected this. We manipulated an external draw, so right now, an internal draw now. So I could expect for price going lower. Okay, let's see what we do. So manipulation again, and displacement higher. However, yes. ES is doing some weird shit right now, because we're going lower. So even though we manipulated here, ES is going lower. Okay. This is kind of our draw of liquidity. But we still have this gap. I don't know. Mm, I wouldn't. I don't know. I'm more bullish still. But I want to base my entry off of this. I don't know. Or maybe I should. This looks pretty good. I'm waiting for candle closure. Okay, this isn't displacement candle, so I'm waiting. Okay, so maybe missed our entry. See if we do have rebalance. Okay. After SMTing, we've displaced like crazy. hmm This is again very bad day to trade. So SMT here, SMT here. We're still in this range. My overall narrative on is much more bullish. So now the structure looks very good. 930, 932 manipulation here. We've manipulated these draws. We've displaced higher critic and order block. Rebalance on 50% here. And we're still in this range. We are rebalancing a bit lower. Let's see if we do. Okay, this kind of flip looks pretty good, so I'm gonna be. I want to be. I'm most likely are very bullish now because we are respecting this gap. We've closed above the 50%. So let's see what we are doing. So we displace higher, however we've rebalanced lower. Okay, internal manipulation here. I'm not sure if going here with stop loss is valid. So I will do something like this, even though we have this side imbalance. Why? This is because this day looks already low prop, and we should have disrespected this already. But why? What are we doing is still dying. However, there's still this sell side, buy side imbalance, so I'm not sure. This is low resistance liquidity, and this should run, but it's not. Okay, so we sweep this draw. We did disrespect this order block here, so I don't know. I'm gonna leave this right here. Let's see if we displace lower like fucking like hell. So we respect this buy side and now internal manipulation here. Displacement higher. I'm fucking closing this position. Don't give a fuck. Okay, we would have hit, but it's very hard to understand the price at this point. So you have internal. It's not internal manipulation. This is just SMT. This is Asia draw, which we have swept. So now we swept all of the daily draws. Let's see if we do have bearish narrative. So we respect this sell side here on 1 hour. We rebalance here. Displace lower. Swap every of this draw. not sure. But we SMT it here and respect this gap. Um, fuck. And we SMT it here. I'm looking for bearish prices. Some manipulated here. Disrespected the manipulation after reacting of this buy side imbalance. Ooh, fucking hell. Yeah, more bearish bias. So I want to see some bearish movement. Okay. So SMT here. Order block. Nothing. Still nothing. 10 a.m. is news. Took this draw. Reacted but still displacing. I don't understand. Okay. Um, some kind of rebalance. Nothing. Still respect this gap. Let's see if it respect this order block. No. So I see nothing. Nah. Nah. Nah, 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 nah. So I crossed this robot, we swapped it multiple times. So fuck this PA. We fill this gap. We reacted to this sell side here. Really bad, really bad. Okay. I would long here. I would get stopped out. Bro, I don't understand this. Okay, this is now low probable, low resistance liquidity here. Maybe we want to go here. This candle closure is sickening me. This is fucking... I'm not even sure how to call this type of candles. Uncertain, like, I don't know, like a baby. We don't displace below this area, so I'm still waiting. I don't think we will do something weird shit and go lower. Hmm. Exactly. Okay, this looks pretty good because we do respect the 50% of the cell site imbalance. I'm gonna target 1 to 1. Fuck you. Fuck you, price action. Fuck you, price action. This should have run, but it's not. Okay. Okay. So 930 goes higher. Display slower. Respect this gap. Uh, equal highs. Didn't. Oh, we took this. Display slower. Hmm. Okay. S&T. Okay, so my trade idea is invalid right now. However, we swept external draw, so let's see if we react to it. Okay. We react to the order block. Okay. Okay, so we are bullish, but no. Okay. I could short here, but this is why I don't fucking short. I won't short until fucking everything slows down. Because I think I'm about to skip this day. Because I don't want to be pissed. I know this is very bearish, but structure is so shit. Besides this, that I don't want to even take any trades. So what? This is not a tell. I'm not shorting. I've missed the entry, so now I'm waiting for the proper structure. Sorry, structure. Now we disrespect this side. SMT. We did SMT and candle closure. No candle closure, no trade. Okay, this candle closure looks okay. So one, only one. Yeah. So what now? Okay, so some fucking around. Okay, so you're bullish after all. Yeah, I mean, on higher time frame we are very bullish, so this is my bad. Yeah, shit. Literally nothing. Maybe this. Okay, yeah, this was good. I'm watching only good trades. 8:30. What the fuck? Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. SMT manipulated this place lower here, even though we SMT this place lower. Could say I missed the entry. Um, yeah. Rebalance into sell side. Shibal. Okay. I'm stuck in with the man in the mirror. Mm, 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 mm. I don't like this type of days. This is high pro, but the fact that we are so dilly-dallying, sickening me. Okay, manipulated Asia. Mm, S&T. Maybe 1 to 1 here. Hmm. Does the price want? I mean, I have no really conferences. I mean, some kind of conference price want to go lower, but except from displacement, this is a bit too much discretion, maybe. But I do think if I don't trade here, it's over for me in a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna try. Yeah. My narrative was very bearish, but the fact that the price is so fucking low probable, and we didn't even take this round. We wanted to rebalance. Wow, it's making me so angry. I mean, entry here, beauty. Yeah. Ooh. Um, 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 um. I'm bearish. Fuck. We didn't take it, so I'm waiting. Oh, we take this. We take those. We take those. Okay. We wanted to go lower either way, so but it's fine. S&T. Mm, very bullish. Balance displacement of Asia. So we took this. So let's see if we rebound. If we react off of this, I'm gonna long. But we are reacting opposite side. Okay. Market structure shift. Okay, let's maybe wait. Yes. Okay. I mean, I wanted to long here, but I would have got stopped out. I don't like this. We took this draw here. Hmm. Fuck me. But take a look at yourself and I'm stacking with the fuck. We took the external draw. This is my bad for that. See, we do have market structure shift. Um, yeah, I'm very convinced by this trade idea. See if it works out. So now we do some slow shit. Do respect this gap. We do manipulate and see if we respect the manipulation. This is the most important part. No. So I would close the position here. Okay. So we would have hit, but again, this this we did rebalance into this order block, so a price could do anything it wants. But no. How many days left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So the next row is here. This is pretty good. Pretty good. See what the price action do. I do not think this manipulation works. Okay, nice. Pretty good. 8 left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. This is the highest point. This is the lowest point. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. Okay, so we swap the draw. Yes, took this. Have the displacement here. Tapped into this gap, displaced. Rebalancing to 50% with displaced lower. see if we get the SM team. I don't think we don't. Hmm. I mean, the entry here looks pretty good. But we SMT'd. Nice. It's fine. 7. To respect this gap. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. So we opened very bearish, reacted to this. Um, oh my god, get. Oh my god, get. I'm bearish, so. Fuck me. 6. Okay. Oh. Man in the mirror. Simple. Don't give a fuck about this. I do give a fuck about internal manipulation here. Do you still respect it? Create this gap, react off of it, display slower. Simple as that. Sadly, the hour have passed right now. 20 seconds to 1 hour, and we didn't still finish the 26th. Let's see. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Reaction. Manipulation. I'm still bearish. 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 Actually, I maybe want to be more bullish because we swept the Asia low and we are reacting. Did took the 830 candle, but let's see. SMT. It's about the narrative right now. Still have this gap. Even though we mustn't it, we maybe want to look for something like one-to-one, but I've missed this. Maybe we rebalance. But this kinda looks very bullish, so I'm gonna bull. If we look, if we show bullish signs, I'm bullish. If we don't, we don't. And that's it. So we manipulate. We edged. We get stopped out, I think. Okay. My trade idea is okay for one-to-one. Is it one-to-one? Yeah, it was one-to-one. This is a part of what we do on this draw. Displacement higher. So we react to this. Manipulation. Okay. Yes, it's going lower. I don't understand. Well, we don't have to understand, we just need to see what price action does. There's no actual draws here, so I'm very bearish anyway. But ES is going lower, so I think, I don't know, maybe once this. There's no actual draws to be taken. But we go higher on Q, so. So we took the draw and go higher from there. So I took this draw here. We eventually went so low, so much lower. That's what I expected. But the move that time wasn't bearish. I'd want to see some kind of internal manipulation or something. That's what we get here. But we displace higher. Okay, displacement lower, no displacement. Still no displacement. This is displacement. Rebalance. Okay. Hmm. Like to see some deeper, but we are not getting this. Okay, we do get this. So now I'm looking. I mean, with displace higher. Shiba. Okay. If I was there, I was entering here, targeting something like this. What? Okay. I'm more bearish, so let's see if the narrative was bearish actually. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. Mhm. Guys, nothing much to say about this month. Got exactly 50% win rate. We didn't trade in almost half of days. Most probable days for me was Mondays. Friday's really bad. Um, I don't know if I have some reflections on this. Like honestly, I don't know. I don't know. This is just because I maybe shouldn't have even like traded this month, seeing how price action is moving. Maybe there were like 4 days, maybe were okay probable, but overall, I need to get a job on September, bro, or I'm cooked. This was really shit. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Because after this horrible session, we are going to have a great day. You know the analogy here, right? The thing I wasn't doing right is just not trading this month, but I wanted, so it's fine. Okay, thank you for watching.